Sometimes, you may receive a text message or see on our Facebook page that the Seqwater Flood Operations Centre is on alert. But what does that mean? Our Flood Operations Centre is where our flood engineers and support staff gather to manage our dams during a flood event. Their job is to monitor dam levels in association with rainfall forecast and the potential consequences of inflows into South East Queensland's dams. We put the centre on alert generally because of an approaching weather system or rain that is already falling, and it's possible, but not certain, we may have to make releases from our gated dams at North Pine, Wivenhoe and Somerset. We may mobilise the Flood Operations Centre when there is considerable uncertainty regarding future weather conditions as a precaution. Mobilisation does not always result in releases from our gated dams. If it becomes almost certain the water level in the lake will rise above the full supply level, we declare a flood event. Then we stand up the Flood Operations Centre to make releases. Sometimes we put the Flood Operations Centre on alert and the rainfall doesn't eventuate, and we never reach stand-up. In this case, we demobilise the centre without making a release from our gated dams. A stand-down notification will be issued when the conditions that led to the alert or stand-up levels have ceased. A flood engineer continues to monitor the situation after the stand-down is issued. Declaring a flood event doesn't mean there will be urban flooding. It means there is extra water flowing through the river or waterway the dam is built on. Dams are designed to temporarily store and gradually release floodwater during rainfall events. But it's still important that we monitor conditions to make sure dams perform as designed.